Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Start Strong with Seller 365 video series. We know that getting started with new tools can feel overwhelming, and you're not alone. That's why we created the series to help you overcome the most common challenges sellers face when first using Seller 365 and to help you overcome them with confidence. Today, we're discussing the moment after running a search using tactical arbitrage. You're looking at the results, a bunch of winning products on your view results page, and you're still thinking about an easy way to keep track of them. We got you covered. When you got leads you don't want to lose, the last thing you want is to dig around later trying to find them again. That's where saved folders come in. And with the Move All tool, organizing your results is faster than ever. Instead of saving items one by one, you can move or copy an entire table of results into a folder with just a few clicks. Here's how it works. Start by hitting the Move All button at the top of your View Results page. This opens up the Move/Copy All panel, where you choose exactly where your data should go. If you already have folders set up, use the drop-down to select the one that you want. Do you need a new one? Just type a name into the Create field, and your folder will be ready right away. Then it's decision time. Once you completely move your results off the page, just Move All. Prefer to keep the current field while also saving a copy? Select Copy All. It's perfect for keeping things accessible without losing your place. And just like that, you saved yourself time, clicks, and confusion. So the next time you try coding your search results, make sure to save it in a smart way, with folders that keep everything neat, findable, and ready for action. That's it for today. See you in our next video.